In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson L15150 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Okay, before you download these resetter or adjustment programs, we suggest you to disable for a while your antivirus, including Windows real-time protection and the tamper protection if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. You can just disable the antivirus for a while when the resetting process. After that, you can download this resetter, the link on comments. You can get the link on our comments here. After you download this resetter, you can just right click on the files and click extract all. After that, you can click extract. In here, you will see the resetter folder. Just open it and run the adjustment program. For the first time, when you open the resetter, maybe it needs a password. You can see the password on the txt file here. After that, you can select particular adjustment mode button and select was inkpad counter and click OK. In here, little different with another resetter, you must click check button first. Okay. Then the maintenance box counter will enable. You can tick this in here. After you tick this, you can click initialize. Okay. After that, after the resetting process is done, you can just click finish and turn off your printer, and then you can turn back on your printer again. If you encounter error here, you can try to repeat the process and also try to move your USB printer into another port on your computer. That's all tutorial how to reset Epson L15150 using resetter adjustment programs. Hope this video helpful for you.